Well, hello there, lovelies. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you how to make the best buniato or sweet potato salad as it's known. Guys, it is fluffy, the sweetness with the savory cream, it is to die for. You can use any cream of your choice. I am going to leave a link for my mushroom sauce, my cream sauce. You can use either, okay? In the description box. So first we are going to wash, peel and dice our buniatos or sweet potatoes into cubes. You're going to add some bouillon or complete seasoning. While that is boiling, you're going to prepare your sauce, which is melted butter. You're going to add some onions and garlic. Let this cook for like a minute and a half before you go in with some flour. Cook this until about 2 minutes. And please guys, make sure your heat is on low or medium low. You can add milk or half and half first. I am using half and half, and I am also going to add some heavy cream. I'm going to season. Not to worry guys, everything that I'm using will be in the description box down below. I did add half a block of smoked Gouda cheese. Any smoky cheese you add to this would just elevate this dish to another level. It is super delicious. If you guys are going to make this, let me know in the comment section, and when you do, tell me how you like it. I'm telling you, this is the best sweet potato salad you're going to ever make or taste. Alright, this was eaten with this dinner. I'm going to drop the link for making the rice and the chicken soon, the complete dish. You can also check out the link for making that buniato recipe as well. So I want to thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Be kind to yourself and each other. Bye bye.